Thank you, Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, good evening. This is a big night that we're excited for, to introduce the Merriam employees and hand them their Overland Park badges. That is a ceremony we typically do here in public safety for those that are being promoted, and understanding that those folks that we're awarding this hardware to will be executing, well, they'll be agents of the city of Overland Park. They'll be serving the mission of Overland Park, and that badge will be an indicator of rank and responsibility. 3 of these badges are going to be 3 captain's badges, which I've said before is the most important job on the fire department. And as we've integrated them into our service and into our playbook, you're going to meet the names as well as the years of service that they're bringing with them into the city of Overland Park. So tonight, Deputy Chief Casey is going to be at the podium reading their names and years of service. We would ask for the members to line up in seniority, and then Deputy Chief Nimitz and I will be handing out their badges. But after a lot of work and a lot of effort, and also a few months under our belt, these folks have been working for us in a seamless fashion since we've initiated this, and it's a fine time for us to award them their badges.
Mr. Chair, members of the committee, the Overland Park Fire Department, in the utmost confidence, issues badges to the following members. Captain Doug Crockett, with 29 years of service. Captain Kenny Mickwich, 27 years of service. Captain Pat Gant, 21 years of service. Lieutenant Ben Grimsley, 12 years of service. Lieutenant Shane from Ben Petrie, 11 years of service. Lieutenant Shane Schnoblin, 11 years of service. Firefighter Barney McCoy, 15 years of service. Firefighter and Fire Inspector Bob Eddy, 10 years of service. Firefighter Pat Sazoff, 8 years of service. Firefighter Jason Howell, 5 years of service. Firefighter Xavier Penamboza, 5 years of service. Firefighter Andy Jones, 5 years of service. Firefighter Kaylin Jennison, 4 years of service. Firefighter Kyle Cochran, 4 years of service. Firefighter Brian Minnick, 2 years of service. We have 2 firefighters that were unable to be here tonight, Steve Park and Firefighter Matt Tigg.
This is simply short of awesome, I'm telling you. Tonight we are officially welcoming 21 new fire department employees into the Overland Park family. These new family members bring with them more than 200 years of combined firefighting experience. It's not a bad hire, Chief. Since the start of this partnership, we've heard a number of great things. We've heard these new members are eagerly seeking out opportunities, joining special teams, moving to new stations, interacting with new crews, and even serving as officers. Former Merriam Lieutenant Ben Grimsley was the acting captain at our Station 2 during a recent duplex fire. And if you watched the latest episode of FireCom, you heard Ben's account of how these new crews worked seamlessly to stop a rapidly progressing fire without injury. In addition, we've added advanced life support to our northernmost residents and the residents of Merriam. This means putting paramedic skills on the scene with the first arriving emergency apparatus, giving residents the highest level of EMS care as quickly as possible. Finally, we're seeing a fantastic example of how government is supposed to operate, efficiently, effectively, and responsibly, removing obstacles that our good people can do their jobs well. This new arrangements will save hundreds of thousands of dollars for both Overland Park and Merriam over the years. Each city is receiving an increased level of service, and the employees of each organization are enjoying new opportunities for growth and advancement. As chair of the Public Safety Committee, we welcome these 21 new members to the family of Overland Park. We thank you for your commitment to serve the citizens in our two communities, and we look forward to many years of outstanding service. Thank you very much.